Hi and welcome back to the countertop, and today I'm doing the best flourless chocolate cookie. Hi and welcome back. So first of all, sorry for being late posting this video. I got a newborn at home and figuring out the new schedule with her was a little bit tricky, but now I think everything's fine. Also, in the PSA mode, because of that, I try to shoot this video in a little bit different way, so it's shorter, it's more straightforward. Let me know in the comments if you like this new format, if you prefer the older format, and of course, don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends. And talking a little bit about the recipe today, it's a flourless chocolate cookie, one of my favorite cookie recipes at all, with flour, without flour, or anything. It's amazing, it's super chewy, super delicious. Super easy to make with 2 or 3 very important tips that you need to be noticed, but other than that, it's very straightforward. Okay, so let's go for the ingredients. So you're going to need 3 cups of confectioner sugar, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 4 large egg whites and needs to be in room temperature, half teaspoon of kosher salt, 140 grams of bittersweet chocolate, and 1.5 cup of chopped pecans or any other type of nut. Right? So just 5 ingredients, easy peasy. So let's start doing. First, in a larger bowl, we're gonna put the sugar, the cocoa, and the salt and whisk these together until you get rid of all of the lumps. Now it's time to separate our eggs, and before adding the egg whites, make sure that the eggs are at room temperature. Otherwise, the recipe won't work and you're gonna blame me. So again, make sure the eggs are in the room temperature. Then you get a bigger bowl back and whisk the egg whites into the sugar mixture. The fact that we're using just egg whites will make the cookie look cracky and shiny, and also bring these macaron-like texture, so it's really interesting and really good. And finally, let's add the bulk of this cookie, the perfect cookie in my opinion actually, the pecans and the chocolate. Now the oven's already preheated to 160 degrees Celsius, and you're going to line 2 half baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone mats. This one is still a little bit old, but I mean, it's fine. And using an ice cream scoop or a tablespoon, you're gonna make 10 to 12 balls. I always try to make the 12, but I always make 11 so I can have like bigger cookies, and since it's gluten-free, right? Why not? And this is going to the oven for something around 25 minutes, and don't forget to rotate the sheets halfway through. Have your cooling rack ready, and after 25 minutes, here's our cookies. As you can see, they puff a little bit thanks to our egg whites that were room temperature. And again, don't forget about that, room temperature eggs, otherwise nothing's gonna happen. Let it cool completely right now and don't rush. Okay, I'm done with the waiting and now it's time to try. As you can see, they are kind of like shiny and cracky on the top, and if we're here, you're probably gonna be crazy about how they smell right now. I'm going to open one now in slow motion for no reason at all, but you can see how chewy they are. Like, they have this macaron-like texture, and right now the intense of the chocolate flavor is perfect. I'm sorry you cannot smell that now. So that's it. This is one of my favorite recipes that I do quite often here at home. People kind of love me and hate it at the same time every time we have some of these at home. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments what you like and what you don't like. And see you next time. Bye.